I'm Polly Bath, and I travel across the country helping schools with managing and intervening on behavior. But today, I'm going to answer a question coming out of middle school. Here goes. Due to the pandemic and everything else, my 8th graders are behind academically and emotionally. Do you have any tips on how to prepare these kids for high school? I really worry about that. Yes, you are right. Due to the pandemic, we've had a lot of things slip. You know, our 10th graders are acting like 7th graders, our 7th graders are acting like 5th graders, our 5th graders are acting like 3rd graders. This is real, so you're absolutely on with that one. It's not going to fix itself quickly. We can't just go back to the way we did school before and expect it all to just fall together. We're gonna have to slow down a little bit, back up, stop making assumptions, and purposely teach them some of those things that we might assume that they had before all of this stuff happened. But one of the things about transitioning to high school that is worrisome is when you think about middle school is all about affective skills, and high school is all about independent skills. And so somewhere there has to be a bridge between taking care of all the affective, the social emotional learning pieces that middle school is all about, and being ready for that independent skills and the expectations of high school. When we get to high school, we're expected to have it all intact and be able to take care of ourselves independently. But when we're in the 8th grade, we don't want to make assumptions that they're going to be okay. So start talking about this right away. One of the ideas that we've come up with that's worked really well is inviting some of our high school kids down to visit our middle school classrooms. They essentially become like peer buddies or peer tutors. They're regular kids who perhaps can get credit for this. Maybe it's a community service project they're doing in high school, and they get assigned to an 8th grade classroom for their 8th grade year. So they show up on a regular basis. If you are geographically close enough, this works really well. And they kind of just become peer buddies with our 8th graders. And they start to talk to them about the expectations. They start to say to them, hey, you know what you did in the hallway today? That's not going to fly when you get up to the high school. And they're going to learn that from their peers, which is really, really powerful. So again, some other tips to do that: start talking about it. Don't scare them about going to high school, but be very clear that independence is something that they are really going to be expected to use. So teach those independent skills at the middle school level so we can transition them a little bit better. Thanks for watching today. And if you have questions that you might like to see answered in future videos, put those in the comments below.